It's Friday, December 9th, the end of the week, so that means another City Hall weekend review, and it was a busy week for city committees. Let's give you a quick rundown about what happened. The Planning Committee was faced with two controversial condo proposals for Centertown and Westboro, and citizens in these two neighborhoods weren't happy with the size of the towers that will be going up. The committee approved the rezoning, and that will go to City Council next week. Then the Finance and Economic Development Committee approved a plan to move the Lansdowne Sports Dome because, of course, Frank Clair Stadium is going to undergo renovations. The Dome can't stay there, so the Dome has to go somewhere. So the Dome is going to go to a new sports field being built by the University of Ottawa on Lees Ave. Then the Transportation Committee approved a plan to build a new footbridge between Sandy Hill and Overbrook over the Rideau River. It's estimated at about $7 million, but we'll see if that cost goes up because, as we know, as the years go by, inflation gets tacked on to that cost estimate. Then yesterday the Transit Commission met, and we learned that the city traded offers with the union that represents bus drivers and mechanics for a new long-term deal, but those two sides aren't expected to get together to start actually negotiating until the new year. Looking forward to next week, you're going to want to keep your eye on Monday. That's the day that the Environment Committee is going to meet to debate a new long-term deal with Plasco Energy Group. Of course, you know Plasco is a company that turns garbage into power. And also on Monday, OC Transpo is going to release a list of tweaks to bus routes. They're trying to solve this overcrowding issue, so on Monday we're going to find out which routes they're going to change to help solve this problem. For Sun Media, I'm John Willing.